Take a ride in the 2021 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, power retractable running boards, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, Sirius XM travel link, power adjustable pedals, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.